What's up guys, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. On this one we're going to look at how you play Ironic on the acoustic guitar. Really nice song to play. Let's dive in and see how we play it. First, Capo across that 4th fret. And you've got a couple of positions to know, and we're going to be using our fingers. We're going to be doing a little bit of finger picking. We're going to start off with the introduction, which is this. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to play our first chord, and it's a bit of a C major shape. However, we're playing it with a G in the root. And when I talk about the positions, I'm talking about the positions as if this was the top of our head. This is the top of the neck. So we've got our first finger on the 2nd fret up from the capo on that 4th string. We've got our second finger on the 3rd fret, that 5th string, and then we got our pinky finger tucked underneath on that 3rd fret up from the capo on the 1st string, and you're going to strum from string number 5 down. It should sound like this. And the second chord you need to know is that we're going to shift that same pattern up 2 frets, so we're going to go 1, 2, and it should sound like this. Again, have a look at those chords on the screen now, or in the description below. So we've got these two, and they're going to be nicely ringing out. You're not going to be muffling those strings. So strumming wise, we've got this. And I'm just using my third. I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down. We've got this little finger picking action here where we go, and what you're doing there is you're plucking that string number 1, which is this 1st string, on you're using your 3rd finger on fret number 3, and you're going to pluck string number 1 with your 3rd finger, and your thumb is going to pluck at the same time string number 5, and it should sound like this. And then our 1st finger is going to slide back to that 2nd fret of the 1st string. So you should have, you're going to again pluck with your 3rd finger or your 2nd finger, whatever finger you feel more comfortable with. I'm going to let that A string, that 5th string, ring out as we go to that 2nd F sharp there. So we go. And that 3rd note, 3rd finger is now on the 3rd fret, that 2nd string. So we go, and then we've got an open G, open 3rd string, letting that 5th string ring out all the time. So it's a so all of that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That lick. Right, then we're going to go into these chords. So we've got this, and that's our first chord that we're going to play. So your fingers are going to go 1st finger, and again look at the chord charts if you need. 1st finger, 2nd fret, 6th string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Plucking string number 6 and string number 3 together. So we're going 6 and 3 together, and then straight after that you're plucking the 2nd string. So it's, and then you're moving your 2nd finger to that 3rd fret of the 6th string, and you're plucking string number 6 and number 3 together. So we've got, that's what it should sound like. If you feel more comfortable, you can just strum it. So you go. Okay, so we've got that first bit. And then we're going to repeat that little bit at the beginning, and then instead of going to the 3rd fret, we're going to go to the E minor shape, which is our 1st finger 2nd fret 5th string, 2nd finger 2nd fret 4th string. And you can strum it, or you can pluck the 6 and the G together. So we should have this. Don't you think it's like rain? And then we go into our chorus section, which is D major, right? So the chords there simply D major, G major, D major to the E minor with a 9th. Who would have thought is F major? Back to that D major. And again, I'll put these chords in the description below. Follow them and follow the record as well. And then we're straight back into that. Now, if you want to use your plectrum, absolutely fine. You're not going to pluck it. You can just strum it as you go. So we've got